welcome back to my channel Simple and Easy Cooking, and today I'm sharing a simple and quick drink recipe. So we're gonna make a buttermilk, masala buttermilk. So for that we need a plain unflavored yogurt. This is the homemade one that I'm using, and we need main ingredients is mint leaves. So I'm using mint leaves and cilantro. I'm using 1 green chili. This is totally optional. You can skip it if you don't want it. This is the cumin powder. I roast cumin, then I just make a powder out of, and a little bit chaat masala, little bit black pepper, and I'm using a pink salt. You can use regular salt if you want, and we need a water. So let's get started. So for that I'm gonna add cilantro and mint leaves and my green chili, and first we're gonna add about, I say, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and then we're gonna blend it. And now I'm gonna add more yogurt. I say about 2 cups of yogurt, and at that point I'm going to add pink salt, a little bit less than half a teaspoon, and a little bit black pepper and chaat masala, a little bit cumin powder. And 1 cup of water. It's ready. You can add ice cubes if you want more chili, and you can keep it in the fridge. And now we're gonna check. See, this is the perfect recipe for hot summer days, because mint is always good for digestion. So you can make as a glass of snack, or you can make with lunch as a drink. So for garnishing, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cumin powder and a little bit chaat masala. So here our drink is ready. Try this recipe at home, and you can make other flavors too. I'll soon share those one too. This is a quick, easy and tasty drink. So enjoy this recipe at home. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel for future video. Let me know in the comment box about any questions if you guys want to ask. Thank you so much.